Hey YouTube, welcome back. So I bought this new car body dent puller. It also comes with a glue gun. This is the Paintless damage remover tool repair kit. It also comes with the prying tool to remove the glue. As you can see, the box is kind of damaged, and show-wise a whole bunch of oil on the bottom. Even my white package too, so maybe the delivery truck has some kind of oil spillage. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So you could add like a spray bottle about alcohol in it, and then that is to soften the glue and to remove it. So only got like 3 of the blue, 3 of the clear. This is the cap. I got this attachment. And this is the puller right here. And then the glue gun. Here's a prying tool. Alright, we have a problem. We're supposed to get like 4 of the yellow one, 4 of the black one. So I'm missing 2 of the glue stick. And then for this water bottle, it's supposed to show it comes with the bag. So you put the glue on here. There are so many different sizes and oval shapes. So this one is the small hand puller. In case your dent doesn't need to be pulled that hard. just unscrew the tip right here. So this is aluminum, so light. And you attach over here. And you put this on your fender or your trunk or door or whatever, and put this in here and then pull it out. After you put the glue and let it cool off a little bit. And if you need to have a bigger puller, just put this back in here. And then attach right here. Okay. And you get a hammer action. So on my Prius, I have a dent on the right hand side on the front. I'm not sure if this is gonna pull it out or not. Hopefully this is heavy enough. Anyway, I need to talk to the seller about the missing 2 glue stick and then the dust bag for the spray bottle. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.